We just wanted to create another model for rugged entrepreneurs that could attack an industry that was highly needed in the marketplace.
When we launched bioPURE, being a part of RSS likes to empower entrepreneurs. Our mission at bioPURE is to change the standard of clean. And anytime you embark on a daunting task like trying to change a standard the way something's always been done, a key component to that is education.
The phrase is lifelong learning. If you're not innovating, you're not creating. If you're not creating, you're not doing. And if you're not doing, then what are you doing? So if you're a bioPURE franchisee, you're going to get the best 24/7. You're going to get family support. You're going to get something online, offline, social network. What more could you ask for than someone who has your best interest at heart, their best interest at heart, and the sum of that is big R's for results as opposed for little R's for reasons.
The world is changing, as we all know, and we've been ahead of that curve, and we'll continue to be ahead of that curve.
Some of the older technologies, some of the older chemistries are not going to cut it moving forward. So making sure that we're looking at residual antimicrobials, making sure we're looking at the latest testing equipment that's available for us today to be able to monitor and certify what we're doing is actually working and what we're doing is providing the most premium environment possible for our customers.
This past week, we announced a ribbon cutting, the opening of the headquarters. And we know when we've been in an unusual state of business environment and climate and a pandemic, that there's a recovery that we have to go through. One, recovery from the actual pandemic itself and recovery of the economy. So when you announce a new headquarters in a region in the Appalachian Highlands and the state is just beginning to open, then you have begun the first steps toward recovery.
We've got programs that run from the industrial level where we're training people to have their own bioPURE teams to then have a certified bioPURE program to treat facilities as large as Clemson football or the University of South Carolina football or East Tennessee State athletics. Our goal in it is not only to have them certified with our program services, but also let them market to their customers that they are protecting their customers and their employees with a service that's battling that germ fight every day.
Being bioPURE certified is a badge of honor. It's a badge of honor to let that business owner, not only let the business owner and his staff know, but more importantly, to let that business owner's customers, the people that he relies on to support and feed his business, it's letting them know that that business is doing everything they can to provide the most premium environment possible. They're partnered with a company that has the latest technology, the latest equipment, the latest chemistry to make sure that that business owner is bioPURE certified.
If you see a bioPURE badge in a window, it's going to give you a sense of comfort, a sense of refreshment, a sense of safety. It is another good housekeeping seal, if you will, of this place is not just approved, but it's safe, it's germ-free, and you ought to go there.
The bioPURE team is obviously an incredible team, and it's because it's made up of a bunch of rugged entrepreneurs who are all committed to empowering rugged entrepreneurs and changing the standard of clean.